Hey crafty friends, today I'm sharing one of my favorite ways to take your coloring to the next level. Using gel pens for those little extra special details, whether you're adding highlights, texture, a little extra sparkle to your projects, this simple trick can make a huge difference in your card making. Let's jump into it. All right, first I have started with an A2 card base that's cut at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I just scored it nice and in half there. And it's my standard go-to cardstock. Everything's listed below. For my background, I've already ink blended a soft gradient using turquoise ink from Pink Fresh Studios because it complements the coloring that we've already done beforehand. Now, let's talk about the magic of a gel pen. I've colored the adorable image here using my alcohol markers. I used my Olo markers today. But we're going to make this really pop even more. So here's a few ways that I love using my gel pens. And I use, my favorites are the Secure Jelly Roll pens, the Milky Pops. I really liked those. I can't seem to find it right now. I like those. And there's another one that I really like. So I have all those listed below also. We're going to add some white highlights. And by adding white highlights, we're going to take and add, you can add, we're going to add a few small little dots to some of our images. We're going to add a line. And I just kind of go along the edge of one side of my image. I go along adding the small lines and dots, like I said, and I usually just add them to where the light would naturally hit the illustration. I just kind of pick where my light source may be, and I go from there. So we're going to go ahead and add a few more of these onto our image here. So let's go ahead and add that. And remember, we can add a little dots as well. I kind of stick to the same on the leaves so that everything is nice and cohesive. So we'll go ahead and add these on the rest of this image, and I will be right back. So another way that I like to use my gel pens is to take a black gel pen and do a faux, or any color. You could use gold, silver, whatever matches your project. And we're just going to do a faux stitching line. And if you want to get fancy and stay perfectly straight, you can take a T-ruler and go on and add that faux stitching. I do that a lot because I am a little klutzy. But you just want to do little dashes to add those faux stitching. You could, if you wanted to, you could also just go around the edge and just do like a little freehand scribble line that's not stitched. This is the one I use most often, is just the little dashes. I do like to turn my paper. The faux stitching just helps ground the image a little bit more. Now, another way that I like to use gel pens is like with a clear, this is the Clear Star Jelly Roll pen. It's a great way to add a little bit of glitter to your projects without any of the mess. You can just kind of trace over certain elements if you wanted to. You can add just some highlights like we did before, just to add a little bit of sparkle to your certain areas of your projects. The glitter pen adds just that little bit of sparkle into your project. It just gives it that little bit extra bit of detail. It's great for stars. You can use it on bows. We're using it here on our florals to add a little bit of sparkle to those. Just adds just that little extra touch and a little bit of pop. All right, to finish up my card, I've added a sentiment. We're going to go ahead and pop this up using some foam tape. So I'm going to mount my piece using just some thin foam tape. This is the Thermoweb jumbo roll of foam tape. So I'm just going to cut some small pieces here to pop in different areas. All right, we're going to peel those foam tapes off the backings, and we'll go ahead and pop that down into the center of our card front. So we're just going to pop it down and secure it into place. All right, so we got that secured. I'm going to go ahead and press it down. I'm going to go ahead and tuck these other leaves down into the arrangement. I'm just tucking them behind, adding them with liquid glue. Once I get this last leaf tucked in, then we will be cooking with grease. And there we have it, a beautifully colored image with full gel pen details that really makes it stand out. I hope this inspires you to give adding gel pens to your coloring a try. It's such an easy way to enhance your cards and give them that little extra special touch. If you found this video helpful, you're probably going to like the one coming up right there. I'll see you over there. And as always, stay crafty, my friends, and I love you.